So this is not important. This is not important what I'm teaching here, and that is not required also.
No, sir, I did that also. So plus I like in school, so we have daily tests on each subject. So I was preparing for that also.
That only we are in Chaitanya, no?
Yes, sir.
So that will be full year will be like that only. Everyday test and this, that, and all.
Sir, they have extended the time of the school, sir.
Yeah, I
See,
know. From morning 7 to night 7 or whole night they will take. I know Chaitanya.
it was
It was not every time there's
24
there.
like 12 hours school.
Hmm.
And then what will the students study?
I know. Don't know those people. Why they should take the children and they should only live over there only. That is better.
That's
Sit
what,
there.
sir.
Ah.
After 1 hour or 2 hours, you'll go to his bed only. What is this?
Hmm. Actually, the same thing they will repeat, repeat, repeat. See, extra brilliant children, not a problem. See, those who are over brilliant and all, for them, whole day also they are not a problem. But average and below average children, that is torture for them. If you can't understand anything, no, in class, so that 1 minute also take means pass will be very, very difficult. Those who are not knowing anything. So only why only so many children left or what?
So I guess only one person left, Kritika.
Kritika last joined last time only. Maybe she has a network issue. Rasul on your camera. So Chaitanya is good for over brilliant people actually. If you are over brilliant, then you can sustain something. And if you are below average, means you will die off. Die off in the sense means you can't.
Rank, right, sir? I
Yeah,
mean, or you'll get tortured. Rank
yeah,
also.
yeah. Okay. So till 41 to 75, anyone having doubt in all these questions? Anyone? If you have done, then you have doubt. If you have not done, is no doubt. So which all questions you are having doubt? Tell me from 41 to 74.
44.
The trigonometry is easy, sir. Circles related to area, that's like a long chapter.
Actually, it's area to circles. You have to work on that actually. That
Like
is
it takes too much of time for even solving 10 questions.
so in exam also did not come all the women's question will take long time only. Some people some question will be like easy, some question will be like medium, like that they will give.
Sir, whenever there is a pi, it's easy, you can solve it. But whenever like the pi, like they're asking for the actual value, then you have to calculate a lot.
Sir, please check the number 131 and 132.
131 and 132.
Yeah,
What? Question number?
yeah, from trigonometry, page
Ach,
132.
acha, page number 132. All right. 132. This is 132, no only.
Which one?
This is 130. Trigonometry 41. Page up, page up, page up, page up. So 44 you are saying doubt. Who is having doubt 44? Rasul, right?
Yes.
Okay. One guy was reading in class 12th. He doesn't know plus minus basic and he was reading in Chaitanya. Papa, you are so much tortured. Means if you tell 3 minus 5, he'll tell 2 only. Like that. And he was in class 12th, he's in reading in Chaitanya. See, what is the condition of him if he's in sitting in the class? So see what to do. Anyone have done this question?
Yes, I have it.
Okay, see what to do. What I told Rasul, you have to convert into sine and cos form. So the same thing you do. Sine square theta, sorry, cos square theta by sine square theta. Or cot square theta we can write. 1 plus cots. We can write easy that you know identity, no Rasul. See, identity is 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta, right? So you can write here cosec square theta minus 1. Can you write, Rasul? This is more easier.
Yes.
And divide by 1 plus cosec. This is alpha. No, I take alpha over here. Cosec alpha. Now you write here 1 plus. Here you can write cosec alpha plus 1. And once you can write cosec alpha minus 1. And divide by 1 plus cosec alpha. So this whole part will get cancelled. Correct. So this become easy now. Correct. So this becomes 1 plus cos alpha minus 1. So this will get cancelled. Answer is cos alpha. It's correct? Huh? Samarth? Same way, right?
Sir,
Say. Okay,
what you
Rasul.
got the answer.
What happened? Samarth?
You got the answer right. 44 cos alpha. You got
Yeah.
this.
Cos alpha only. See, here if you identity, that is much easier. If you want to convert to sine and cos, that also you can do. That also you can do, Rasul. Okay, that will take bit long time. Now Rasul is getting doubt in question number 45th, right, Rasul?
Yes.
See, this is the easiest question of the year actually. 45th one, Rasul. Here what you should do is simply, this is like, NCERT also we have read, we have done in class also. In this kind of question, easily we can take sine A common. In bracket you can write 1 minus 2 sine to the power. This is not 8, no, this is 3. Is 3A, Rasul. Sorry, so it will come 2 over here. If sine A you have taken common, then it will come 2 over here. It's clear. And here cos A you take common, the 2 cos square A minus 1 will come. So if you just solve, no, this whole part will get cancelled. Your answer is sine by cos, that is tan A. You know how it is cancelling, Rasul? Javian and Rasul, Samarth, on your camera. What is this? Why you're offing again and again? Javian? You are in flight mode, that's why.
No, sir. Actually, my sister is keep on disturbing me. That's why, sir.
एक घंटा आप मारो उसको भेजो उधर.
सर छोटी है सर.
तब भी
बहुत
चले.
छोटी है.
हाँ, जैसा दवा दो उसको.
मैं मम्मी से मार खाऊंगा सर.
That's the problem, sir. Whenever they're a little, but we can't do anything to them.
Close your door at least if you want. If you can't do that, close your
So
door.
I'm actually sitting in the hall with my sister alone. My parents have gone out.
अच्छा, उसको टॉफी चॉकलेट खिलौना लग के दे दो.
सर यहाँ पर है जेम्स रखा हुआ उसका.
Okay, next question is question number 48. So Rasul was out now. So 48, I think. Achha, you came. So now question number 40. Understood, Rasul, how it comes sine theta over there? You understood? No? I don't know. I have not taught, but you should cancel. How it get cancelled? Tell me, Rasul. Either you, sir, see, either you change a numerator or denominator. Either numerator part you just change into cos form, or you change denominator part cos into sine form. The same thing will come over there. Okay, Rasul, see, if you want to change this one, what happens? 1 minus 2 into 1 minus cos square A will come, right? The 1 minus 2 plus 2 cos square A. So here become 2 cos square A minus 1. Understood? So this one and this one both are same. You can cancel it each other. Got it? So 1 minus 2, instead of sine square A, you just put cos square A. So that if you expand, the same thing will come over here. And if you want to expand this one also, same thing you can do. You can, this will come into sine form, then upper part will come off. That's it. Now 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. So Rasul, you have, no, everything we can convert into sine and cos form, right? So 1 plus tan square A, what do you know? You can write here, if you know identity, you can write here same as it is, you write. And here what you can write? 1 plus tan square is what? Sec square A. So 1 by sec square A, that is cos square A minus tan square A by sec square A. So you can write in this way, sine square A Sorry, A, no, this was theta. Okay, theta is this. 1 minute. Let me write theta everywhere. Sec square theta. So this become cos square theta minus
Sin square theta.
sin square theta by cos square theta.
No, sir. The denominator will just get cancelled it because cos square theta will get multiplied to tan square theta.
So that's why I'm just showing over here. I'm not doing directly over here. Okay.
all right.
So multiply 1 by cos means cos square theta we can write. So this will get cancelled. So your answer is cos square theta minus sin square theta. So see what I have done here. See one more step if you want. You can do one more step. 1 by sec square theta minus tan square theta divided by sec square theta. After that, if you solve, you go through this step. Cos square theta minus, see, instead of tan square theta, what I've written? Sin square theta by cos square theta. Again, for sec square theta, we can write 1 by cos square theta. That is 1 by cos square theta. So answer is option B. It's clear, Rasul?
Yes, sir.
Next question, which one you are having doubt? You are having doubt 51. You have done how many questions you have done, Rasul, totally?
Sir, 51.
It's a 51 only. This is a sum of your this thing textbook only, I believe. 49th one. If there is NCERT sum, I think so. So this is a question, right? So what you can do here, cosec A minus cosec A minus 1 and cosec A plus 1. This become cosec square A theta minus 1. Okay. On top, what we can write? Cosec theta and cosec theta minus 1. Again, you can write it here as plus cosec theta. And here you can write cosec theta minus 1. Correct?
Sir, plus 1, sir. One must be plus 1, the another must be minus 1.
This should be plus. Okay.
Yeah.
So on top it will come cos square theta, or leave this part.
Plus cos. Plus cos. Cosec
Yeah.
theta.
Cosec square theta minus 1, what will come? Anything is there? No.
Sir, minus cot square theta.
1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. So 1 we are sending that side, that is become what? Cot square theta.
Yeah.
So denominator part is cot square theta. Here you can take cosec theta common, right? We can take cosec theta common from both, from this as well as this. Can we take? So in
Sir,
bracket,
that will just be, if we multiply it, it will just get cancelled, right? The plus 1 and minus 1. So
here also it may
2
cancel,
cosec
no?
square theta by cot square theta. So we can directly solve it.
Here
Get the answer.
here will not get cancelled. Here also one and again cancel.
Yeah, that
So-
one only I was saying.
Directly you are
I was
saying
only saying yeah, I was only saying this process only.
this only.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So now cosec theta into 2 cosec cosec 2 cosec theta, right? Divide by cot square theta. Like this only is coming, or something else.
Yeah, that
Then you can just convert into whatever you want. You can convert into sine, cos, whatever is. See,
true.
cosec,
Yeah.
cosec theta we can write 1 by sine theta into 2 into 1 by sine theta again, and divide by is there, no, they write here multiply. What you can write here? Cos square theta by sine square theta. So here you should write sine square theta divide by cos square theta. Ulta you can do, right? It's clear. For
Yeah, sir.
this cos theta is in division. So if you write in multiplication, your sign will up numerator part become denominator. So this both sign will get cancelled with this. So 2 divided by cos square theta, and that is you can write 2 sec square theta. So which answer is correct over here? Option B.
BM.
Rasul, I think it's clear to you, right?
Yes, sir.
So like this, you should keep on doing. So you practice, you play with the identities and your sine theta, cos theta, everything. Okay, Rasul, you'll get the answer. If anyway you are not getting, see from starting only what you can do, from starting only you try to convert into everything into sine and cos form only. Then also you'll get the answer. All right, Rasul. Hemant, are you there in the meeting?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is the doubt which you explained. This is the doubt, sir, which I had.
Acha.
Just like it is really hard to like figure out.
You have seen Hemant, the basic concept. See in the, if you see Google Classroom also is there, no Hemant.
Yes, sir.
So there are two folders in that. One is introduction to trigonometry, one is trigonometry only. If you go through those, this one basic concept, everything is done from starting. Understood,
Okay,
Hemant?
sir.
Last class anyway, I have done that. Once you go through it, if you're not understanding, you can call me anytime. Okay, not a problem.
Okay, sir.
Their YouTube link is also there in that. See, if you go to Google Classroom, you'll find that introduction to trigonometry, one heading you'll get, and one heading you'll get only trigonometry. You just go through that today. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So first you go trigonometry, and you can get to know which one you should do first, which it goes all NCRT sum, all extra sum, so many sums is done over there. Okay.
Yes,
If
sir.
if you are having doubt which one you should do before, no, you call me that time, not a problem. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You can call anytime. This message I can't see all the time. You can call me anywhere, anytime, no problem at all.
Okay, sir.
So from basic, if you understand, you can just ask. If you are having any doubt, small doubt also in between, you can call me, ask, take photo and send me. There you are having doubt like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. So next question is question number 52. 52 question is damn easy question. You have done, Samarth, every question you have done?
Yes, sir, for trigonometry, for the chapters for term 1, I have completed all of it.
Acha. So exam date has not yet come, no?
It has
It
come, yes.
has, sir.
Yeah, it is there.
It's in November or December, I think, no?
Sir, it's in starting from November 30.
November 30th.
Yeah.
Because if CBSE changes any timetable, no, ICSE board also changes.
Okay.
Hmm. So who can do this question, children? Which answer is correct? All of you solve
Sir,
and just write in the
this is
chat
very
box.
easy question, sir. This is
Yeah.
NCRT question.
Yes. Simply should put the values, right? See, there are two ways to solving. How you'll solve, Samarth? Tell me how you solve.
Sir, we can directly solve it by tan theta equals to 3 by 5.
Huh.
Sir, P equals to 3, B equals to 5. We'll
Huh.
find H through Pythagoras theorem.
Okay,
Then
you are
put the
saying like
values.
this, right? You
Yeah.
are saying like tan theta is equals to
Or else, sir, the simplest process is that the tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. So we can take the value of sin theta as 3 and cos theta as 5. So from
correct.
there, we can easily do it.
Yeah, no need to find h only in this,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
In exam you can do find h whatever you want to do, but here what we can do, if tan theta is given, no, so directly what we can do, 3 by 5, so this is sin theta and this is cos theta. Simply you put the value over here, so 5 into 3
Sin theta.
minus
Yeah.
3 into 5 divide by 4 into 3 plus 3 into 5. So
It will just get 0.
0, no? Over.
Yeah. Because the numerator is 0. So that will just be 0.
That's the answer. Over.
Sir, please check the number 131 and 132.
Achha,
Those are a little.
Achha, you are having
Yeah.
doubt in all those. 31, 31, 132.
Yeah. 31 and 32.
131, right?
Yes, sir.
Achha, this is ladder one question you are saying. 131 is the how high the side of the building does the ladder reach? That one.
No, sir, not that one. Just a minute. Let me check it
See,
out. Which one is not
131 is that only. See the question.
Sorry, sir. 141 and 142. That bridge one question. That one.
141.
Yeah. 141.
The area of triangle, that one you're saying. The area of triangle is given figure is
142, sir. The bridge one question.
Acha. 142, 145, right? That one. A truss as a structure of consist of members
Yes, sir.
organized.
That one.
Huh?
That one only, sir.
Okay. Let me just write the question first. See how the question they have mentioned over here. A truss is a structure that consists of members organized into connected triangles so that the overall assembly behaves like single object. Trusses are most commonly used in bridges, roofs, and towers. You've seen this is a building like this kind of thing. I have not just copy and paste that one, that railway track actually. Okay, not railway track. This any track will be there where you can just go up. See, the thing is like this, See, this is the just diagram what they have given over here. Same. Okay. So this can be in this form. What is the diagram over given over here? This traveling path or railway also something. So railway also bridge will go like this, no, in Ganga pool or something. Railway will cross. So this will be in term of this one. Okay. It looks like this. Now the question what they're asking is, what is the length of A? Length of A is very easy. How to find length of A? You don't know, Samarth? See, length of A is very easy. If you're finding length of A, this one if you want to find. So here this become B become perpendicular, 10 become what? Base, and this become hypotenuse, right? So relation
Yes.
between base and hypotenuse, or just don't think about base perpendicular and all. See, for perpendicular, we call it as in CBSE terms, actually perpendicular is nothing but opposite. Okay. Opposite.
Yes, sir.
And base is nothing but adjacent. This you remember. So in this case, this is opposite, this is adjacent, sorry, this is hypotenuse, and this one is adjacent, right? So we have to find the relation between hypotenuse and adjacent. Why? Because adjacent is given to us and hypotenuse you should find. So we can write here tan 60 degree. Sorry, A by H is what? Cos 60, no? Cos 60 degree is equals to what? A by H, we know that. So cos 60 value is 1 by 2 is equals to 10 divided by A. So A is equals to 5. A, what is coming here? How become 5 here? Cos 60 is 1 minute. O by H, A by H. Ka. So A is 10, H is down. A is coming, A is coming 20, no? 20 meters, right? A is 20 meters. It's clear, no? Samar is very easy, no, this one.
Yes, sir. Actually, I got confused in this one.
Acha. Anyway,
That's-
now we have to find B. B you are
The
finding.
rest I can do, sir.
Rest you
That's
can
okay,
do.
sir.
Anyway, finish, not a problem. See,
All
B
right.
you find, then Samarth, B you find and tell me. All of you just children, if you can find, just do B find you. All of you find B1. B how to find. This is also very easy only. See, how to find the relation. One should be given, one should be unknown. Then you can find the relation over here. See here, B is nothing but
Sir, 17.32 meters.
So this is B is nothing but O. The relation between O and A. So O and A
Tan
is
60
tan.
degrees.
Tan 60 degree is equal to O by A, 2A. So tan 60 is root 3 is equals to opposite, that is your B, divided by adjacent, that is 10.
10.
So B is equals to 10 root 3.
10 root 3.
Or you can write 10 into 7.732. So
Sir,
answer is
1.732.
17.32. Correct.
Yes, sir.
This is the answer. Length of C they are asking now. The length of C. How to find length of C? If B you
Sir,
know,
Yeah, then by the help of that 60-degree angle adjacent to the 30-degree one, we can find the length of D. From D, we can find C.
So B is there. So B is this height is B only, right? This height is B only now. This height is B. So this height is
Yes.
also B. This height is also B, right?
Yes.
Now what we can do? This angle becomes what? Here this is given 30 degree. Which angle is this? See, first
Yes,
of all,
one process we can directly do, sir, without instead of finding the value of D and then finding the value of C, we can just
exactly
find the value of that straight one, that
this
outline.
this triangle, right?
Yes, sir. In that triangle, not in that triangle, that BD triangle, you see.
BD triangle.
Yeah, there is a B and D in
This
there.
one, this one.
Yeah.
In this triangle, what do you find?
Yeah, in the top parallel line. Top parallel line.
This one.
Yeah.
So what you can find? B is already known, correct?
Yeah. So we can find the top line at the base according to the 60 degrees. Sorry, the perpendicular according to 60 degrees. So it is the same as the length of C. So there, from there only we can get it.
So B, C we should find, right? So here we should, this is angle you should find, right?
No, yeah, that we can also find. And we can directly get it from 30 degrees is 90 minus 30 equals to 60. Right. Yeah.
This one is 60 degree, right?
Yes.
And here this is no need to find C you should find right now, right? So
Yes,
what
sir.
you do here is C is nothing but this 30 degree already we know, and B means this is also B, that is your what? What is B? 10 root 3, correct?
Yes, sir.
This is 10 root 3 only, no? This part. So
Yes.
so we have to find this. This is becomes opposite, and this become base. The opposite by base. Sorry, this is not base, adjacent. So opposite by adjacent, which you should use tan A you should find tan 30 degree, right?
Yes, sir.
Tan 30 degree. Children, here you see those who are not understanding. If this is your B, if this is B, so this is also B, and we have to find C. So this part is your opposite, and this part is adjacent. So we have to find the relation between opposite and adjacent. So answer will be tan 30 degree is equals to opposite by adjacent. So we can write here 1 by root 3 is equals to opposite is your 10 root 3 divided by adjacent, that we have to find. So adjacent is equals to 10
30.
root 3 into root 3. So answer is 30
30 meters.
meters. Hemant, Rasool, Praharshan.
Yes, sir.
Hemant, you are not running the camera now. Rasool, what happened? Teja Gangarappu, you are joined by two two IDs, huh? And both are not working. Teja,
Yeah, sir.
how many devices you have joined to get more
I have
attendance?
joined from.
To get
No,
more
sir.
to get more attendance, huh? One you just leave. Shall I remove one? I just make this one, other one. I'll just remember. I'll just remove this one. Okay. How to remove?
Okay, sir, you can remove one.
Ask to unmute chat, pin, hide,
I will disconnect you.
remove. You have disconnected. Shall I disconnect?
Have disconnection.
Okay, fine. Why you joined with two IDs? One for video, one for audio.
Yeah, sir.
But there is nothing here. No video, no audio. Huh, Teja? Okay, next question of this is what they have given. The length of D. The length of D is all similar. You can just find it out. Means the same triangle you use. Here D you should find D. So D is nothing but adjacent by opposite you can do or anything you can do, right? You can find D, correct? Next, anyone having doubt in any question? 140 to 145 is clear. It's clear to everyone.
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Okay, next. Tell me anyone, if you do children, keep on doing. How much sums you do, that is better. If you do, then only you are not having time only, I know. You are having exam time, you'll have lot of time to do every time. Means your mind also work fast in exam time. This also I should do, that also I should do, pata pata pata, all whole book will get over in one day.
Yes,
But
sir.
normal days, you can't do a single question.
Sir will be like, I want to do it tomorrow, so I'll just skip it. 20.
What do people think? Tomorrow I'll start pakka. Then match will come. No, okay, today's match. No, tomorrow I'll start morning. Like that, people will think all the time. No, or something. Tomorrow, what happens? Tomorrow I'll clean my table and start reading.
It will be postponed, sir.
Every day postponing. So you open your windows and put table clean. Then you sit for study. Then outside you see one bird. Then you go outside the house. Then where bird is going, you just chase the bird. Then bird will take you to the field where you children are playing cricket. Then you start playing cricket over there, right? Then you think that, oh, today also time gone. Tomorrow I'll start.
This is actually
That
correct, sir.
doesn't work, sir.
Complete the whole entire book.
Complete?
One day before the exam will be the next day, so we complete the whole entire book.
Whole entire book will go. So here postponing, we should know this clue to postpone the things. We just want any clue. Something should be there. Tomorrow, pakka will start from tomorrow only, 100%. Then tomorrow will never comes. Okay, so coordinate part came here. See, one question is 129th. Who is going to solve this question? Let me check. Cos theta minus sin theta plus 1. Cos theta plus sin theta minus 1. Which answer is correct over here? So it is a very long procedure, no, to do this. Did you remember this sum? Very, very long procedure.
Sir, I remember the answer is cos theta minus sin theta.
Cos theta minus sin theta. Okay.
I actually remember the answer, but not sure about it.
Yeah, sir. I do know the answer.
You also know the answer.
Yeah.
Tell what is the answer for this? In exam time, what we can do, theta you just let 30 any degree we just take in exam time, whether it's working or not. Take 2 degrees and do. Don't try to solve this question. What you can do in exam time? Theta is 0, you put the cos 0 become what? Cos 0 become.
It's coming, sir, cosec theta plus cot theta.
Acha, okay. So see what you do. Cosec theta means theta is equal to 0 degree take. What is coming? Okay, in exam time, how to make it easier? Don't try to solve. If you solve, this will take whole page. If this is your what objective type questions, you just apply brain so that it will work easy. So put theta is equal to 0 degree, what will come? Cos 0 is 1 minus sine 0 is 0 plus 1 divided by here cos 0 is 1 plus 0 minus 1. So here it's coming 0. Here is coming up is coming 2 and down it's coming 0. So this is not defined. You just do per theta
Sir,
is
answer is cosec theta plus cot theta.
okay. How you know? Heman, sorry, what's your name? Teja. You know how? How you don't know, right? So theta is equal to this is root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. So what will come here? This will come so complicated way, na? Root 3 minus 1 plus 2 divided by root 3 plus 1 minus 2. It's coming in other way like root 3.
3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1, we can just rationalize it.
Okay. So what will come?
Root 3 plus 1
And
whole
here what
square
is coming? Just
by
check.
3 minus 1.
Cosec 30, just check what will come. Cosec 30. So sine 30 is 1 by 2. This become 2 only. Plus cot 30. Cot 30 is what you get? Cot 30 is 1 by root
Cot
3.
30.
1 by root 3. So this should come. So if you do this, what you're getting? Root 3 plus 1 by root
Sir,
3
cot
minus
30 will be root 3, right?
cot 30 will be root 3.
Yeah,
Yes.
because tan 30
Yes.
equals to 1 by root 3. So it will be
Yes.
root.
Say root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. The denominator part will come 2 and numerator part what will come? If you do whole
Root
square,
3 plus 1 whole square
so 3 plus 1 and plus 2
plus
root
2
3.
root 3.
So 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2. 2 is take common. The 2 plus root 3 divided by 2. The 2 plus root 3 is coming. Here also 2 plus root 3 is coming. So this is also one method you can just try in exam. Here you can't do because see,
Sir, we can multiply sine theta with the whole. Then we will get the answer.
You should multiply what? Sine theta.
Yes, sir, sine theta. But it will also be as lengthy as this.
This is not that lengthy, but that will become
Yeah,
lengthy.
that's a bit more lengthy. So
Hmm.
that's not it practical.
So don't put, if you put 0, don't believe on 0 thing. Here 0, if you put, it will come in not defined. So it should not come always non-defined. This will come something answer. Okay, the theta is equal to 30, 45. You can just something you can use and just get that. You understood, Praharshan?
Yes.
It's pretty easy, no, Praharshan?
Trigonometry is easy, sir, but the other ones.
Yeah.
Areas, circles.
Circles is easier than this also, but you should calculative. It's
There are
calculative.
like the percentage one sometimes, and like the percentage, like the radius increases by 5% or decreases by 30%, like that.
That is also easy only.
Sir, those types of questions are not in the syllabus.
Is it?
Yeah, I think those are not in
Anyway,
the
be
class.
ready for every exam. Don't exam for 10th. Anyone can do. You people can do, right? Prepare for high-fi. That is the easy questions only. If this percentage increase, decrease, all are easy questions only. Those are all are. You just learn the concepts.
Okay, sir.
So see this question, what you need to do. If they'll give how to prove this, then you can do it easier. You divide by sine theta. What you told someone? Divide by sine theta, no everything.
No, sir, multiply by sine theta.
If you
Let me tell
multiply, it's become what will go so lengthy then. If you multiply by sine theta.
Yeah, that's what sine
Yeah.
theta cos theta minus sine square theta plus sine theta.
Shall I solve and show you? See how to solve this. You should divide by sine theta. So how to divide? I'm just telling you here. See cos theta by sine theta minus sine theta by sine theta, and here will come plus 1 by sine theta. But how do we get to know we should divide by what thing? In exam, they give proving sum, then it's easy to do that.
Options and see which one is best. If
Which-
there is tan, you have to use cos. If there is cot, you just have to use this sine.
But everything you can't use no here. Which means you should think that this is the correct answer. Correct? No. We
Better
can't.
just substitute the value. You'll easily do it.
This value is the most easier part.
That's
Because
what I always do for the problems like big ones. Like this.
because what happens, children? No, here if they give proving sum, no, they will give here cosec theta and plus cot theta they'll give, and just try it. They will ask you to prove that this is equal to this. So what we do, we just try to convert everything into cosec and cot form. So how this will come? If we convert everything numerator by sine theta, if you divide, you'll get that one. See, this become cot, this becomes sine. Sorry, this become one only. This become cosec. Correct. This become cosec and this become cot. That's why we are dividing everything by what? Sine. But if you don't know the answer only, how do we convert? That is the main thing, right? So like that only you just think. And if you're sometimes tan theta and cosec theta is coming also, they should divide by some other thing. So in that way, you can do more for so down part. I will tell you right now. Cos theta by sine theta plus sine theta by sine theta and minus 1 by sine theta. Okay. So what we do here is, so now you can write here cot theta minus 1 plus cosec theta. So what I'm writing now, just I'm reversing here, this one here. Like I'll write here plus cosec theta and minus 1 I'll write. Okay. Divided by this one as it is, you write cot theta plus 1 and minus cosec theta. This is clear to everyone what I've written here. Now what you do is, this is clear how what I've written. Hemant,
Yes, sir.
Javian, is clear it's clear or not what I've written here?
Not that much. I still tend to process it.
I think your in this one trigonometry part is not that good. That's why you are suffering a lot.
No, sir, it is good, but like some I'm just taking little time to catch up.
Okay, tell me where you are getting immense difficulty. You will stop me there only. Take your time to understand the sum. Take your time, not a problem.
No, so like I was understanding where I'm having difficulties. So I was just processing it.
Okay, fine. So this you understood till here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what is one concept is there? Here you should convert one into identity form. So what you can write here? This is very important. If you don't know the concept, if you forget, no, means you can't do. What you keep on changing, this also you change, this also change, means you can't do the in exam time. So here what is there is cot theta plus cosec theta minus, what is the one formula? You know that? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta, you know? And the same form you should write. Cot and cosec is there, means same form you should write over here. Divide by cot theta plus 1 minus cosec theta. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what I do, now in this two we see this part and this part. There are two parts over here. So what is coming common in both? Cot theta plus cosec theta is common. And other bracket, what we can write? 1 minus, here see, cosec theta minus cos theta is pending, right? You should write here minus cosec theta. Again plus cos theta you should write. Plus cot theta. Understood how it is coming or not? If you are not understanding, you can do one more steps, then you'll understand. This whole part will get cancelled with this. Here is plus is coming. 1 minute. It's correct. So your answer is cot theta plus cosec theta. This become RHS proved. Like this we have to do in exam time. So children, right now I'll remove few children who are not owning the camera only. Okay, Teja Gangruppu, just move out of the meeting. That's not required. You be at home only. Okay, I don't want. If you just want to not be here, simply time pass. You are coming over here. Okay. Simply you sit at home. Okay, it's clear how to do.
Yes, sir.
Do this question, children. Question number 128. If 7 cosec phi minus 3 cot phi is equals to 7, then 7 cot phi minus 3 cosec phi is equals to question mark. What is that? Cot phi minus cosec phi. Any idea about this question? Who can tell me? Any idea about this?
So just doing it. It can be done by linear equation in two variables, pair of limit.
Hmm.
I'm solving just.
Gonna go a little bit longer.
Hmm.
But it's gonna go a little bit long, right? If we use the linear equation. Like getting the 7 over here and then.
Hmm. Okay.
Like I did it that way, but I was not able to get the answer once.
Hmm. You're getting longer method. Samarth, what to do in this type of question? What to do?
Sir, I was actually taking the value and putting it in the other. I don't think this will work.
Which value?
I was actually taking the value of cosec theta and putting in place of the other cosec theta so that I can get the value of cot theta. But I was
How will
not
get
able.
7? How will get 7 if you put the value of cosec theta or something like this? How will get
No,
7?
And the 3 on the other side and divide it by 7. Like that.
Means
So
mainly
it's
you are
1
putting.
minus 3 cot. So 1
sir,
minus
if we
3
take the
cot
other to
7.
the 7 side, the value of cosec theta will be 7 plus 3 cot theta by 7. So
7 plus 3 cot theta.
7 plus 3 cot theta
Okay,
by
what?
7.
Which second? This one part you are saying.
No, sir, the first part.
So 7
Just
cosec
put it.
phi is equals to 7 plus 3 cot phi you are saying, right?
Yeah.
So then your 7 you are bringing this side.
So this will not work, right?
Yeah,
Because
what you can do? What you can do
there
here?
is no RHS in the second equation. That's why.
Hmm. So here phi, how to find phi over here? If you're squaring both sides, can you do that? 49 cosec square phi minus 9 cot square phi is equals to 49. Can you do by anything? You can't do, right?
Yes, sir, it's possible.
You can convert this one
Sir,
into
by squaring it will get whole square, right? So another term will be there.
So in that term, what will come?
Yes. It will be 2 into 7 into 3
That
cosec
will
theta
this will
cos theta.
become plus 9, right? Then minus
Yeah.
42 will come.
Yeah, 42 cosec theta
Cos
cos theta.
cosec phi cot phi is equals to
Yes.
49. Cos by sine, 1 by sine. So which way we should do then this?
Sir, I got the answer.
Got the answer? How?
Sir, see, sir. Here we have 7 cosec theta let me take it pi as theta. So 7
Okay.
cosec theta minus 3 cot theta equals to 7.
Hmm.
So, sir, 7 cosec theta minus 7 equals to 3 cot theta. So, sir, if we take 7 common from this LHS, so we'll get 7 into cosec theta minus 1 equals to 3 cot theta. Then, sir, we must multiply cosec theta cosec theta plus 1 to each side.
Acha, to make it whole square, right?
Yeah. So, sir, in the RHS, in the LHS, it will be 7 into cosec square theta minus 1 equal in the LHS equals to 3 cot theta whole into cosec theta plus 1. So, sir, cosec square theta minus 1 equals to cot square theta. That is there. So, 7 cot square theta equals to 3 cot theta into cosec theta plus 1. 7 cot theta equals to 3 into cosec theta plus 1. Hence, if we take that 3 cosec theta to the other side with 7 cot theta, so 7 cot theta minus 3 cosec theta equals to 3. 6 down.
7 here, see. 7 cot square
Yeah, yeah.
theta is
7
equal
cot
to
theta.
3 cot theta into cosec theta plus 1, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
After
So
this, what you should do?
next we 7 cot theta equals to
3 cosec
3
theta.
cosec theta plus 3. Take
So
the
this will
3 cosec theta to the other side. We'll get the equation of the other one
cosec theta
equals
is
to
equals
3.
to 3.
3. So the other equation is the same, right? 7 cot theta minus 3 cosec theta. So we get the
Then
values.
then who doesn't know to multiply this one, how this came from? Then what
Sir,
do you think?
we will directly know, sir, to make it a square. From there we can know. To make it a square, right? Cosec theta minus 1 का square बनाने के लिए उसको multiply करना पड़ेगा.
Yeah, same thing.
Yeah.
Not square, to make identity, right? To
Yeah,
make
to make
ah.
identity.
If you do a squaring, then nothing will come over here. So to make identity, we are just doing this one and this one, because cosec square theta minus 1 is equals to cot square theta. You have read, children, right? 1 plus cot square is equal to cosec square theta. So we are having doubt here only. If you understood this much, this two part if you understood means you can do the whole question. So whole root is here only. What I have mentioned in blue color, that much you think means you can do the whole question. And if you're having doubt, just ask me which part you are feeling difficulty first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Which steps you are feeling difficulty in this? Just tell me if you are having doubt in any steps. Rasul, it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Any other method is also there to solve this?
Sir, I got only this method, sir. So I solved it from.
Anyone having any other method to solve this?
No, sir.
Sir, use linear equation two variable which is long.
Linear equation, two variables. What do you do?
That's not possible. Let's say equals to after that is not there, so you can't solve it.
We can put it as x and we can try it.
If you put it as x, the same many variables will be there. No value in terms of x will.
If you put x, what do you get? 7 cosec x. The cosec x and that also x will be pending. No. So if you're finding any variable, so this is like, this is like unknown only, right? This both, if two equations are having two unknowns, so here also one more unknown is coming. How do you do?
That's what I was saying.
Hmm. But yes, cosec theta minus cot theta. Okay, children, will close to next time. When, how many questions you will do? You are not doing only what to do. The question number till where? Again, I'm just writing here. 41 you start again, right? And do till 100. Last time I given to 70, no, do till 100. I don't know how much you can do. So at least you have 10 questions also you are not doing every day. If you start from actually 51 also, I just solved this 51. 10 sums also you are doing means at least 70 will go. Again 20 sums you will do means 90 sums you can do easily. 20 sums is not big thing. You can take out a half an hour a day, you can get 20 sums.
Let's.
Okay, children, I'm leaving the meeting now. All of you can leave for the day. Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you. Bye.